Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for a gap year. This crucial legal document formally outlines your activities during a period away from studies or work. It's frequently requested by institutions like universities or visa offices to understand your experiences. Essentially, it provides a clear, sworn account of how you spent your time, ensuring transparency and fulfilling specific application requirements. This helps demonstrate your commitment and purpose during your time off. When preparing your affidavit, include essential details. Start with your full name, address, and contact information. Clearly state the exact start and end dates of your gap year, providing a precise time frame. Then, meticulously list all activities you engaged in, whether it was volunteer work, travel, or skill development. Explain your reasons for taking the gap year, such as personal growth or career exploration. Finally, mention any supporting documents you might attach, like certificates, to strengthen your statement. Drafting your affidavit requires careful attention. You can use a template or consult a legal professional for guidance. It's paramount that all information is truthful, as inaccuracies can lead to serious legal repercussions. Once drafted, the document must be signed in front of a notary public or an authorized official. They will verify your identity, witness your signature, and then apply their official seal and signature, making the document legally binding. Always confirm if your requesting institution has specific attestation requirements. To ensure a smooth process, here are some vital tips. First, proofread your affidavit thoroughly for any errors or inconsistencies. Always keep multiple copies of the signed and notarized document for your records. It's crucial to understand the specific requirements of the institution requesting the affidavit, as they might have unique guidelines. Avoid vague language. Instead, be specific and provide concrete examples of your activities. Remember, never sign the affidavit until you are directly in the presence of the notary public or authorized official.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.